Faded off the kush, I'm gone. Only 2 years old when daddy used to bring them hookers home. Looking like my grandma. My niggas got that ammo. We Jackson and then light up the L. Samuel, Tunchi in this.
Okay, my name's Tyler Milford and this is my bike check. Okay, I got the Flybike Luna bars, the Colt D Heart grips, Odyssey power ends, Primo Annihilator version 1 stem, Colt integrated headset. Then I got the Colt OS version 3 frame. I got the Fiend fat seat. And I got the Fit Shiv forks. Yeah. The Colt D Heart tire. Nitrous double shot rim. Shadow axle bolt. I got the Fiend fat seat. The stock cranks, demolition pedals, Shadow Ravager sprocket, KMC half-link chain. I got the Colt D Heart tire in the back too. Nitrous double shot here in the back. Some random peg. And I got the stolen Thermalite peg in the front. Subscribe.